Bún Chả is Vietnamese dish of grilled pork and noodle, which is thought to have originated from Hanoi, Vietnam. Bún Chả is served with grilled fatty pork over a plate of white rice noodle and herb with a side dish of dipping sauces. This grilled pork is noodle, herb. Bún Chả originated and remained very popular in Hanoi, outside Hanoi, across all regions of Vietnam. A similar dish of rice vermicelli grilled meat called bún thịt nướng is also alternatively served. Bún Chả can easily be found in Vietnam's busy capital city, from elegant restaurants to simple street vendors on narrow streets. Along with pho, Bún Chả is also standard for Hanoi's stunning cuisine culture, which combines rice products, meat, veggie, spices, and local special dipping sauces perfectly. It's available for all meals in a day, from breakfast, lunch, or hearty dinner.